today we are here to show you about how to make ecobrick. Check it out!
So here are the things you need. Materials: plastic bottle, plastic, jute tape, sponge, scissors, stick, and fabric.
The first one, get a plastic bottle and clean the bottle, dry it out and make sure it's not sticky. Collect all your plastic. Make sure it's also clean and dry. Cut it up into pieces. Put the pieces of plastic in the bottle. Press the plastic into the bottle using a stick. After full, close the bottle. Arrange the bottle into a square. And good bottles with duct tape. Add foam to the top. And then cover all parts using fabric. And then this is the result.